Hello artists! My name is Adrienne Munger and I'm an artist and art teacher here in Maine. Today I'd like to show you how to use your sketchbook outside. What you're going to need today is a sketchbook and some drawing tools. So I've gone ahead and I found a sketchbook at home. It's just a plain, small sketchbook. And you can also go ahead and look around your house for some drawing tools. I really like using pencil, but you can also use pen or whatever drawing tools you have around your house. So let's take our supplies and go outside and get started. Now that we're outside, it's best to find a shady spot to draw in because the white paper of your sketchbook will be really hard on your eyes, and you might also get tired really fast if you're sitting right in the direct sun and drawing, especially if it's in the middle of the day like today. So I've decided to sit on my porch at home and draw. You could also find a shady spot under a tree outside, somewhere to get out of the direct sun. Before we start drawing, you should go around and take a walk around your backyard or your neighborhood and find some natural materials you can bring back to your shady spot and draw from. You can go ahead and look for leaves, flowers, some fallen twigs or branches, or some rocks. So let's go ahead and get started drawing. I've gone ahead and I've collected some natural materials around my backyard to draw from. Let's go ahead and get started on some different drawing activities to try in our sketchbook. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to trace a natural object in your sketchbook. So I'm going to go ahead and find some things I'd like to trace. Leaves work really well for this, and you're going to go ahead and press them down with one hand and then trace along the edges of the object with your pen or pencil. And that is the first activity you can try in your sketchbook. Once you bring your sketchbook inside, you could even color in some of the outline and add more details if you would like to. The next activity you can try in your sketchbook is to choose some natural objects to draw by looking at them up close. So choose objects you can keep right near you by your sketchbook and look at the objects really closely and draw what you see. Remember, when you're drawing what you see, it's really important to use your eyes and follow the lines of the object. And it sometimes is helpful not to pick up your pen or pencil too much. Just look with your eyes and try not to pay too much attention to what your pencil is doing on the paper. Just follow what you see. And for our final activity to try in our nature sketchbook, let's pick a landscape to draw. So from where you're sitting, look for something in the distance that you see and try drawing a landscape in your sketchbook. So open up to a new page in your sketchbook and let's find something interesting to draw from where we sit. For my final sketch that I'm going to draw in my sketchbook today, I'm going to draw this telephone pole that's in front of my house. I hope you'll have fun trying these activities outside in your own nature sketchbook. So you can go ahead and take some of the sketches you've made and you could decide to color them in, or maybe some of them will be inspiration for a new artwork that you'd like to start on. Happy art making, artists, and see you next time.